Okay. Once again, we're here at Chambers Park, where you can see just how bad the creek is flooding right now. Actually, even though it's topping over right now, it was over the bridge, over the top of the bridge a few minutes ago. And if you take a look back here, now here's, for reference, here's a little pavilion. You can see there's debris on the ground here as to how far it got up. So now we're kind of walking along the creek side here, and you can see just how high it is. It was over the footbridge just a little while ago. Now it's right toward the bottom of it. Not necessarily going to go over there because I didn't wear my duck boots. But flooding all the way over there. I'm sure that there's some flooding in some of the houses over there. Wow. Crazy stuff here. Anyway, you can hear the roar of the waters just over here. Crazy stuff.